For decades, workplace safety in India was a maze. 13 different laws, a web of confusing rules, and a constant burden for employers and employees. What if you weren't fully protected? What if your company wasn't fully compliant? That era of confusion is now over. This is the Occupational Safety, Health and Working Conditions Code 2020, a monumental law with a single powerful mission to simplify workplace compliance and to elevate the standards of safety and health for every single employee. Consider this. In the past, different sectors like factories, mines, and construction all operated under separate confusing laws. The OSH code has now consolidated all 13 of these laws under one single umbrella, dramatically cutting through the complexity for everyone. For employers, this means no more multiple registrations, just one single electronic registration on the Shram Suvidha portal. No more multiple reports, just one unified annual return. Imagine the paperwork in confusion, vanished. This is a powerful saving of both time and resources. Even the role of the inspector has been transformed into the inspector-cum-facilitator, focusing on support and guidance. But the true heart of this code, the central focus of this historic change, is you, the employees of India. This is a new framework for your empowerment. For the first time, it is now mandatory for every single employee to be issued a formal appointment letter. This single document provides clarity, security, and dignity to your work from day one. For every worker above the age of 45, the law now mandates a free annual health checkup provided by the company. Your health is now a legal priority. Relief for your hard work is here. To be eligible for annual earned leave, you no longer need to work 240 days. You are now eligible after just 180 days. Overtime can no longer be forced upon you. Your consent is now mandatory. And the payment, as always, is at double the normal rate. This code opens new doors for women in the workforce. With their consent and with guaranteed safe and secure transportation, women can now contribute their talent to night shifts. Better facilities are coming to more workplaces. A canteen is now mandatory for 100 workers, not 250. A creche is required at 50 workers, and a welfare officer, previously at 500, is now mandatory at 250 workers. This means better amenities for more people. And for our vital interstate migrant workers, there are special provisions. A yearly journey allowance to travel home, and portability for PDS ration. So your rights are with you, no matter where in India your work takes you. This code transforms safety from being just an option to the fundamental foundation of every single workplace. A safe employee is a satisfied employee, and a satisfied employee is the one who builds a strong organization and a self-reliant nation. This is more than a law. It is a national commitment, a powerful step towards a safer, stronger, and more prosperous India for all.